Haka Katkandai Tere Uleber Arhajar Arpun Rio Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad Kongkal Sangma Rengkat Badu Sembut Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla Badi Kimi Ekatanat Korbari ke Jylla Ba Presiden Tensong Dalit Bani Kendo Yulat ke Jylla CH Vijaya Shankar Halok Bhavan Kani keje kendo kalong manai ka kaipot ke babnia halor ke Shongsuk Shongsaiñ Rilum Garo kebelasya akta keje kenat hagini kendiat sngi Kani keje ngalang kalong keberan kam harian bagi Sarkar Jylla kelapen bor ban penbiang ya kejing Shongsuk ke bapura hakane kathan Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla ubala syong lasa Rilum Garo hakini sngi ban bishar dar ladi ke jenglong jengman ulong ba kani keje kendo kalong ban pensyai halor ki ke baja namar ka por baja kani keje kenat ulala tang bani keren bu ulat leng ba ke phone Komta haka kat kantai trik uleber ulawan rengkat sembut Menteri Rangbah banai ka kai pot ke bapura syaulat ke Jylla. Haba kelipat halor ke jingkam migi brio Menteri Rangbah ula percai ba kani ke dekakam jo ketenat pulet ba ke dekakam ram ki pulet ban chemik senjam kat kum kisaki ki bagi yo bat kat kum kelenti jokaan. Halor ke jinglong jingman Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula Pyntip bagi jing syat thambor bagi jing kulmar kala duna bhamenta bagi sarkar kala pelat dru ik internet kabade kadak jong jing Shongsuk kebalawan phai biang. Wala kalong kumtaw la mahampat bagidan kendiat ki jingja ki bajuja kensan hang ni hang tai. Bagi sarkar kena pet ngor bhai kerukom long ban penti kena biang ya ke jing Shongsuk ke bapura.
For most of the last 2 weeks, I was in Garo Hills, and as we are all aware, that there were different situations and different law and order situations that happened, and which required my full attention. So I was there in Garo Hills, and all this while I was only able to communicate with Honorable Governor on the phone, and therefore I felt it appropriate that I must come and brief him along with Deputy CM in charge home about the current prevailing situation, especially in Garo Hills. Also, the different uh, incidents that led to the different law and order situations that we faced. So, a complete briefing on the entire matter was given to the Honorable Governor, and that was my basic purpose of visit today. Number one, Governor has, after I briefed him, so he was, of course, much more aware about what happened, and so the briefing was basically, just as I said, a briefing on the law and order situation. Regarding the arrest, see, we'll be very clear on this. It is purely police department's responsibility, and based on whatever evidence and whatever rules that are there, the police will take action. I'm not aware of how many arrests have been made. I'm not aware of who all been arrested. It's a pure police matter, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per evidence. So I think the SP there will be in a better position to reply to that, the different SPs, but those details are not with me. In terms of the violence and the different incidents have come down. There are some sporadic incidents that are there once in a while. Violence has come down, but we are keeping a close watch to ensure that there is normalcy should return. To a large extent, it has returned. To a large extent, people are now getting on with their day-to-day lives. To a large extent, as I said, even after assessing the situation, the internet ban also has been lifted. So these are signs of some sort of normalcy returning, but we are carefully monitoring the situation.